Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to withdraw money from TradeWill. And if you want to do this, we go right here to our account. And if you go to our account, you see here that we can withdraw or deposit. So what we're going to do is we select right here withdrawal, and then he will send us right here to this page. The first notification that he is giving us right there is that you need to verify your account to withdraw money. Then after that, once you did that, select right here which account you want to withdraw. So we select right here the TradeWill account, select right here the amount. So let's do $10. And then if you click right here on withdraw, you can withdraw normally the money from your account. But if you now click here on confirm, you see that we need to complete your ID verification. So make sure that you did that in the first place. We can also withdraw crypto right here. And that is a little bit more difficult, but not difficult, but a little bit more. Then select right here your account, select the currency in which currency you want to withdraw it, select right here a network, so this network is fine, and then paste right here your withdrawal address. So let's say we want to withdraw this to Binance, something like that. We put that address right here, fill in right here how much we want to withdraw, and then click here on confirm. But be careful with filling in that withdrawal address, because if you make a mistake, your money will be gone. So this is how you can withdraw right here on TradeWill, and also verify your account, because otherwise it's not possible. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.